Okay, final pieces are coming together for the Wazebo. We wanted to load this up today onto the pod, but there's no way this is going to be ready. We just went around and marked all the way around where we're going to cut off, so it's going to have nice, even edge. And then we're still putting all the pieces together. This is made of 6 different parts right here. There's the 2 benches, and then there's 4 of the main quarters of the actual disc, that platform that this is made of. And then I'm not sure how many of these flashing pieces that go around. I think there's 2, one on the front, one on the back, one big one on the front, one big one on the back. And the sides, the benches came with their own piece already made. So yeah, we still have to connect the benches together and then figure out a way of securely making this really strong so we can lift the whole thing up. And we're going to have some kind of attachment point where we can lift it up with the telehandler, or like forklift kind of contraption. So that's going to be another thing we need to do. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky to do that, because this is going to be, it has to be balanced, and then we're going to lift it with telehandler onto the platform. And then on the center, there's going to be a huge table. I'm going to show you the table inside the factory. You can see the table is in production, and it is massive. Right over here. They're just moving it up right now. That is our table. That's a big table. So that is something you'll be able to have a lot of people sitting around this table. That's good for, I think we calculated 8 to 10 chairs that go around. We don't have the chairs yet. We're going to make them, but I don't think that will be done for launch. We may have maybe one, probably not even. I think we'll have to do that after launch.